Hello everyone, with the steady rise to crime rates these days, taking additional security measures has become crucial. We can discover that one of the most effective security measures that one can take to secure their home, office, hospital, and store. Monitoring in commercial or public place. Keep your staff honest. It can prevent staff theft. Foolproof coverage. It can be useful in evidence. Keep an eye on children or elders. Encourage good behavior. Increase customer confidence. It's cost-effective, loyal, affordable. Call us now for a free consultation. We will help you.